Is it? I didn't even.
That was not a song.
But where does it start? No, not that.
Okay.
Where's Chopsticks? Rugrats?
I don't even know how to play it, but that was a pretty good guess. The videos have been probably so different lately than they usually are. We've been so busy that usually like I'm already out the door and like getting stuff done. Today I wanted to just kind of recollect myself, tell myself that it's good, take my time a little bit. Last night, the 350Z started with a pretty janky method, but it started. But we do have a very big day ahead of us. I'm really hoping you're enjoying the videos anyways, and I do just want to say thank you, because I know that LS swap videos are not like the most exciting and most like amazing thing to watch and the most interesting thing in the world, but we still have had so much support, and so many of you guys have watched my videos, which makes me feel awesome, because it kind of makes it seem like you guys don't just watch the cars. I love you, puppy, so much. Oh, sweet boy. First stop of the day, JDM buyer. I actually have a lot of stuff. They got a container today that they're unloading, and I have parts from Japan for my Skyline, which really reminds me how much I want to quit filming the Z and work on my other cars again. Trevor's not here right now, but I'm gonna sneak in and see the container. Should be a pretty familiar view to you guys. Last time we were here, it was literally so cold I couldn't.
It was a lot colder.
Like, now it's hot. Now it's so hot I can't fit in my pants. Damn, okay. Got a Cedric GT, another 32. There's two cars in this container and you can't really see it back there, but I've got some goodies. All right, this is kind of funny. Everybody comes to Trackstar the day before an event. All right, it's a full house today. Let's see, is my car even on the lift still? It is still on the lift, okay. Supercharged, this car's supposed to make a lot of power. Ethan's gonna be doing a tune on this car and on my car.
It's been a busy day.
It's a busy day for everyone. This is a cool car, and this is actually, it's gutted and it's got a cool cage. I like that. Okay, so today, we obviously got it running last night. We have a lot of little things to do. Run water lines. We obviously need the belt, the serpentine belt to go around. You missed the startup last night, dude.
I saw it though.
It was like a nice, it was lope, and then.
It was pretty great. Ethan's face in the video.
Dude, wasn't it so nice? Isn't it so great?
It was great.
Got a little something for Ethan and ATK to put on the car. They don't know I made this, but I'm excited to show them. All right. Got you a big, that's gonna go on the back winders. Just like that. You like it? That's all we could do. We'll have the livery later, but a big thanks again to Trackstar. That's Ethan, and then the crew that's been helping me so much, and then HEK for the engine. It is a beautiful engine, and I can't wait to hear it more often. Carry on. I'm just. It's
out the camera.
It's B-roll, dude. Y'all gotta get nervous. Like, oh. I start feeling. You're like, oh no, I gotta stop. I gotta stop talking. Yeah, you can go home, dude. They don't want to see this.
Everyone hates me anyway.
Relatable. I have something for you, Matt. It's not a livery yet, but
Fantastic.
got a nice large sticker going on the rear of the car. So gotta rep the homies.
Absolutely. Now you
that have been helping.
Go out there and show
Rip
everybody
it.
what you can do.
Yeah. Nasty. Ooh. That's like disgusting. I'm having fun. Are you having fun, guys? I'm having fun.
Yeah.
So a little bit more progress. We've got, unlike yesterday, we actually have some ICT billet brackets for the coil packs. So that's gonna make the engine look a little nicer. So at this point, I wish I could say that it hasn't been all day long. But it's like already late, it's after 6.
We're a little late in the day already, but everything that I texted you this morning is now either done or very close to done, so.
I like that. I also just put, hey, you're supposed to put stuff on, not take it off, dog. What you doing? So I got the upper rad hose. I don't even know what this is from, but I literally went to the back of O'Reilly. I made this one fit, a little bit of modification, but it's fine.
Just put the bolts.
And then you gotta just do some like power steering and fill it with water and see, we literally just gonna have to run it. Yo, so we found a new mascot. We found a shop mascot. Check it out. Check it out, E. How cool is he, bro?
Run.
Yo, it's like a little dog, but Caterpillar version. This dude's on a GTR key.
He got some metal on his fur right there, I think.
Balling. Oh no, he's got some aluminum shards from me earlier, probably. That's the biggest fuel pump I've ever seen.
All right, coming out.
Oh my, that's a big boy. So I probably could have just replaced that and kept driving the car, but V8s are more fun, I guess.
Indeed.
You agree?
The pump looks like, yes, I agree fully. And that was kind of the plan, I think, from the beginning, but just got there a little bit faster than we expected to.
All right, Casey, show me some STIs, bro.
All right.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Let me show you something real quick. Let me turn around.
There you go. See you tomorrow. Ethan was saying that this car at like 55% throttle had enough air flowing through it to be about 800 horse. So he's thinking this is like a 1,000 horse car. It's pretty cool. By the way, unwritten rule for myself. Let's go ahead and hide that from the camera. Car cannot touch ground until it runs. Nice. Uh-oh. Why you do this? Okay, so we're making a judgment call. It's really late at night and we haven't even tuned it yet. I'm so tired that I honestly feel sick and like I'm struggling to like think if I can drive home or not, but I definitely can at this point. So we're gonna call it and we'll be back in the morning. We made a lot of progress today, but like health and safety is of much greater concern than going and doing burnouts and making tire smoke in front of some people. So come back in the morning. Tomorrow, sleep. All right. Okay, it's a new day. Still got a decent amount to do. Rested but not recuperated, but ready for the weekend. And we are back. Ooh, his FD's nice and shiny. Did he clean it recently? So we're gonna spend some time and actually tune the car here and get it done correctly today. My man Malik saving the damn day. What's up, man? I like your hat. Like, where can I get that?
It's his.
Oh, well, okay. Well, I like your hat, but it looks good on him. So, dude, this is going to, like, it's so loud right now. So this is going to seriously help so much. Hey, that's gonna both right. I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh my God, that's a lot of exhaust.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's also a lot of ear saving.
Nice.
Like, this will be nice. Like, dude, I think this will sound amazing.
Might sound good.
I think it will sound pretty incredible. This is probably gonna sound like a modified C6 now. I'm pretty stoked. All of this just so I don't have to sound like a trumpet no more. So this is cool. This is true duals all the way back. I think it's gonna be interesting sounding coming through an import exhaust, but I can't wait. Can't wait to hear what this sounds like. It's gonna be so sick. Don't let it touch the ground because it's not done. It can't touch the ground until it's done. Oh. Oh! No! Stop it! Why I do this? I just tried to hear it outside of the car! Let me hear that. Let me hear that. Give a little gas. Oh, alright. That does sound good. God, that sounds nasty. That sounds dope, dude. That sounds sick. Going for a little bit of a rhinoceros look. Everything should be done. Getting ready to tune. This is obviously not going to be a permanent look, but you know, it's a good look for now. I dig it. We need to burp the system. So if you guys remembered, we had to use the F-body Camaro we used to use. So you're basing everything like right now. Like you basically had to reflash start from a Camaro, right?
Yeah. So we started from that, like.
Yeah.
Yeah. I made as many quick and dirty changes to get us to this point.
Right.
Now I kind of start getting picky with
Okay. Hey, idle's good.
Better starting right up.
Yeah, starts up, idle's good. It's so funny. Like this tuner exhaust, it's not used to having like that lope. Every time the cam lopes, it's like you can just hear, you can feel air being punched out of such a small place. And the coolest part about this, OEM oil pressure gauge.
What do we got on it right now? I can't read
60 PSI.
Awesome.
At idle.
Awesome.
60 at idle is really good. Really good.
We don't have those VQ blues like we had previously.
It's better than 6. Getting fans figured out. This is crazy, dude. I don't have coolant, so might have to figure out a way to line that up. Went ahead and fabricated a little bit. Have Shanks fabrication. You like it? You like it? The hydro looking nice and clean. I told you boys, I'm keeping the interior this time. I messed up on the Lexus. We're doing it right. Boom! Finished, baby. Woo! I have a mix of sweat and fuel all over my eyeballs. Kind of glad I'm not going today. I don't want to shake anybody's hand like this. I'm nasty. That gets hot. The moment we've been waiting for. Let's hit the ground, baby. Woo! She's about to drive under LS power for the first time. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Ethan! Hold up! I can't believe she's alive. She is alive. Alive, alive, alive. Time for burnout. Time for rips. I need to cut that a little bit.
A little interference there between the...
Yeah.
So we were just talking about it. This truly is like a 1 month car.
Absolutely.
Like that's impressive. Even though we're kind of pushing it last minute, it's running. We're gonna make it.
It's super.
Yeah, we're super stoked. But some of the final touches, we have to give credit where credit is due. So we gotta put some banners on.
I don't actually. Actually, no, don't. Last night.
Look at that.
Oh, I missed.
Couple of needles.
All right, the long-awaited burnout.
Hi.
How was that?
Pretty good.
I think it was good.
That might have been the most effortless thing I've ever done in my whole life. Just drop it a little bit and just. It's about 30 dollars. There's some meat on the ground at the moment. I guess that means it's time to go to Houston and send. Ethan's doing a little bit of welds, getting the hydro on. Woo! Honestly, I can't thank Ethan enough. He doesn't like. I don't think he likes me saying that when he's right here. But I want to say like, wow, Ethan at Trackstar and all the guys at Trackstar that I label in the videos. Cody, the cookie guy. Even Matt, Matt and Drew coming here every day after work to help me with this. Like, this could not have been done in a normal person's garage. Like, so much help went into this, and I can't be I'm so grateful. Also, big thanks to ATK. ATK High Performance Engines. They built the LS3 for me. It's not maxed out yet, but I would love to at this first event to have way less than 550 something horsepower or 570 or whatever it's gonna be. It's probably about 420, 430 right now, which is plenty for the Z. That's actually what I wanted to max out on initially. But yeah, big thanks to ATK High Performance Engines. I want you guys to check them out. If you guys need a tune, Ethan's actually getting into e-tunes for most cars, so if anything, just email him, give him a call. He's an incredible, incredible tuner. I want you guys to check him out. Loaded up. We got one final send from driver unknown. America! Houston, we made it. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was so tired. This has been a long week. Like, this has been a very long week, as you guys have known. But I was so tired that I debated just staying home and like driving in the morning, like waking up early in the morning. But like, I got some coffee. We figured it out, and now we're here. Made it safely, thank God. But man, I was telling Victoria like on the way here, I have never been this tired in my life, and I never want to be this tired again in my life. But I'm very excited to see you guys tomorrow, and I'm even more excited to drive the car. I'm so fortunate and so thankful to have as good of a team as I do. Like, dude, these guys, I don't know if you guys realize, like, the motor was built in 2 weeks, and the motor was put in, and like everything was done in less than 2 weeks. That might not seem like a lot, but it is. Like, that's absolutely insane. And if it wasn't for the guys at Trackstar and also the guys at ATK, and I'm thankful for you guys watching, and I'm ready to rip. I'm ready to rip, and I'm also just ready to move on, because we got some imported stuff from Japan for the Skyline, and we got something else we gotta do this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and peace out. I need to take a shower and go to bed. My advice for you guys today is to remember that it is okay to not be okay. If somebody asks you how you're doing, you don't have to say fine, because that's so shallow and that's so dumb. Like, stop saying I'm fine. Don't complain, don't whine, but like, you don't gotta be like, I'm okay. Like, oh, how you doing, Jim? Like, oh, I'm fine. That's good. Praise the Lord. Like, everything's great, you know? Like, no. Sometimes you're just not fine. And that's okay. It's okay to not be fine. Everybody's going through something you don't know about. Catch you guys later. Tomorrow's drift day. Bye. Man, dude, I'm ready to get some sleep, but I'm also ready for you guys to watch those 2 videos that are right in front of your damn face. They're really good. They're really good videos. I'm like, honestly, bro, like, they're so good. They're so good. You should probably watch them.